from day one, I appreciated the free SHS impact on my Ghana. Is that a time you beat my share your prospectus, the my inquire no at their schools? Now, me offer CB Echo, ye 3,500. You could jump by and actually any school buy a nice car and send me 120 Ghana cedis. Now, this is some of the prospectus that my name say Nana Oko says 6 form was a form 4. We would call Israel Oko school. So our requirement we na kedlari second near crocodile per crocodile type. We are near far. So one school, I was just giving a typical example. One school edge admission of 3,500 addition for, and each student is bringing one credit. A crocodile machine. Last year there eguho. Last 2 years there ewo. What do we do with it? Is it a time say you beat me because me say 3,500. You use kana you call school mu. I call jumba no. E ka 120 Ghana cedis. Okay. And na me just sanka free SHS ama and anka fees no so koka ho a, where would we have been? So is it a time say bit ma to ebo ase asoman na from about 62 items and akola na mfanko. Can we refine an admission prospectus as a nation going forward? And I think this year more GS abaso the crowding nipa the kugu self placement baby just baby empo enko. I think the last 2-3 years we had that challenge. Last year never, and this year it's been managed, not 100%, but at least a boakakra. Nana Asare Bediako infrastructure also. Our education. Is it a time say bit matu boase ashare and prospectus? Now linking that to your core rounds. Your core share some schools and so on. Young kwala ni bi krano baby a womote. Yes, this is schools baby. Oko KSTS are buying walk abemame the JB IB rounds are your core. Aben see new dormitories, we see new structures. Oko typically ewo Kumasa Gentanka. Nice structures. Oba Amedia, but still nkonya basic near maybe a year and kwala be cry use plastic chairs and omotisu school. Your school I abandon no most of the E blocks oko drop on so at the hall. Yeah, and you use Adobe radio they use. Wow, quite so man can so and so nyame adom ye use agree the so or use oboase nice danya say yana ekutwa video ba ya eda ho kwa ewo oboase yesi baby te kwabra kwa na meboa eda ho. Let's look at our education. Yes, ni nyina egum abra nkwala ni bi amase heye etete plastic chairs so and isua there. There's the video and there's the form 2 class. This is what they are learning on. And we have chairs over 2,000. Any other facilities go baby as a nation, as a mind. What is it? Nana Asare.
Minia medase. Memfa akonye na menchia eye ahwefo ene etiefo. Na ye no twedi amponse se ode enso efri nkran bedu bombedu ahomachin
emwa kwa
o mamenna
me ana beyoza
yankopanse na unse party adwuma de wa wonim se baby obefrem bia no say fa party ho de ade na
has over
and the ba
for God and country.
Yes, need to nama fa akonya na mama yero tumfo say to yera mapia mbumu ase yera na machia ye me party for na from national region Akoma FM, especially the branch executives. Na makacho omo se omunya gidie wiemu na omummo mpa pamayen na baby ebitimi ako ade NDC akwakodu biara no God willing ye beye amenadu ho na machia ye all the constituency executives especially in Ashanti region makacho omo se omummo mpa pa na baby epese ye adwumakodu no na me kwan na yentimi enye enkonkodu na kofi unim se me ba as regional organizer organizer, yes.
Hey,
God willing.
This is interesting.
Exactly.
Nana Asare Bediako. One kasa.
Me ankasa.
Say no matter man. Now have you never fatal. Now who jina dey say obi any ho baby.
That's a pa.
Oh, seriously? No. I declare my support.
Thank you very much.
For you nobody can stand.
Because in be on one say when you say
Montuma Nana Asare Bediako.
Very difficult.
Oh, I don't
have a support.
Me obi oba shows we ojina support.
Unim.
Osro sao ba me how
na me kwa nka na me because I normally be on my we need to you here to me say you back out na obi timi ka say oh this position we say no
you better me dey hum come na yen share the issue on board
me nua about
Akoma FM
and ye mai eco school ni ade prospectus ye nyina ya to be e dey akọ ene so we nkura about 3,000 a bit difficult so with me enya normal omope but what I've realized is say this time round normal no adults enkane no na entesa I didn't nanka yenye in such a way say ebe ma wofo nso eho ahenham because obi kwa akoto sa no we na owi a wasama akra no bibi di ato no ho na enoma okọ school mo nso anye se okodu ya yesi free nti okọ ya na yaje wo okọ anoma bi hormo a oto
Akoma FM
noma bi hormo a okọ a oto ebi school uniforms ye ton bi ma mpaboa slippers ye ton bi ma enoma nkitinkiti bi hormo akọ a ye ton ma ni nyina no ama awofo ebre to me I think say very sad and we are siding Kofi this are quite mutual yebebo akra ho ka from the primary one amna ko JHS amna twa akọ afi na osan akọ kakante ye de ni nim say free senior high school na his excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo kan no nanke nim say akra eco school at least do here ye no box
no here no trouble
na
Akoma FM
so se nipa timi ko boka about 3,000 and right now one of your sister stations no more complain say even before say be replacement obi to 7,500 and say ye replacement
reposting
yes amano very sad a teacher for ntiminka awo for ntiminka but I'm telling you say the cost involved was a free senior high school we very high me no ka say now ye can be before nkonya nko a enkura no aduane die mu kra ye problem amomo nim school for the past 2-3 months without bread without brodo and very sad omo aduane se wo hu na se okoko hu asebe udu ani hu mu a wo hu ase bibia ennim enkane nso na entesa enkane na entesa anti ye be stress you see that is why anti awofo no ebre ye be ye hu bibi na sa awofo no be hin ha ma ye better se say ahofo no be bre na ye de ato so say e free senior high school because enye easy sa schools are there ye kan wo hwe eye schools are there ye sisi bebre politically ye jai bi ma no esen mene aban bi obeba obesa bi enyade even say NDC aban yes akra na mene
Akoma FM
ye ma enkura no ne awofo ebre mene wo ka say Kofi there are other schools and aban bitimi apostu nkura we akọ normal start fresh use that facilities but because of political problems intino ye try say ye di nkura no besa akọ the old schools no ama ho no machoku ankra no bi me no kasa sisi e difficult for them to so mbenya baby ada se nkra no be fi omna ho nyina atwitwa obusa na o se empa no ebembe ho chese wontimi nya baby emfa omna ho nyina empa na atwitwa omna ho nyinara I'm telling you na yes na atwa no boxes no etata ho unya baby no wafa Intinesa wo kofia even say 1 week na 2 weeks na your must sell trunk no boxes na eso aside kofi enkane no na entisa we have a place aye kwaye suani na kogu na obi afanike na yatum oba na yasamba bebie na wasen you are there enti ye be stress yes it's good say education system no ye be ye normal ye na aboa because aban kwan a aban no efa so no in fact ha adwene am teacher for ne be look me no ka say Enkano na PTA eboa PTA ye ka PTA I am telling you say aside say aboa aban eboa schools no PTA boa papa PTA school biara agina edimu agidin so we have contribution from PTA no fantastic but now no aban ayi PTA every ho ama teachers no ne head mistress ne headmasters no they are suffering but they cannot complain
Yeah.
Now oko program na say yes a PTA say omoyi eyi na free honom aye parents association.
Yeah.
Ayi teachers no
it's no more parents and teachers
association. It means say a teacher for no so nti ye ho afrum na more parents in there mbaya ban ntimi and mo entry and very sad. There was a meeting I make omo kan say parents I make catch on say no way teacher parent ni bia ntimi meskum ha e me do ope if a teacher enka ho a it is omo feel say PTA ni nya adwuma and there enya adwuma na say parents association there ye ni otumi wa ha what are we e dey na betimi decide wa ha yet you be involved. Yentimi nya bibia wo school mu ha. So if some feel some ho trauma, they should communicate to government. Now government who say at least omie mu kakra because me I support PTA supporting schools because ya nya ne sa baby biara and obi betimi aboa school am school akonkan. And them no ka say nkra bia omuko school. To be frank with you, unim say today still ebi enya placement.
Yeah.
Ebi nya placement.
Many of them.
And would say ye place omo no akwa a very big problem. Ebi nso hono mu a ya nipa ko ha ma baby ombeda kra no ebi enni ho enti ye be stress when enye sometimes it's not about politics, it's about how ye nyina bitimi abo ama your education no akoye say ye so wo hwe ni ye start ye say be start free senior high school but progressively ni ye starting kakra no on say yes so uviti prekope pause ya moja eneba na atoye no na senke eto yebo na nke de politics no eto nchen ni ehwe how we are going to make sure say Ghana education no the quality wise no be the number one yes na ye hwe and me no kasa sisi to be frank with you
Akoma FM
enye honko the moment senior high school do the na akoto no esa move to the tertiary institutions. And it means a creative problem no along into all this while no a dear na ye afa look now and no many be na schools no provide like the eka about colors the first panel say ye corner so the colors kwa the next say your mobile omtimi ye no frame na omo de bibi foforo ahye ho and no nye but this time round because say he came free baby amano omo I remember say me de akra ba ko eko yes onto
Akoma FM
onto soap washing soap no kese
what come mama list no I was so ni nyina also
kese pa enu ne school no se wan fa nkwa upon se wotwa ne place na wo ko school no yen pene
no start one
obeto playe obeto chese bibia obeto bia school no so one dia oje na me busa se why what is the government doing? What is the government doing? I say,
listen, I have two options.
Yes.
Any school items.
Yes.
Or the NHS card.
Yes.
Or passport size picture.
Yes.
House dress. School print. White dress.
Yeah.
Where the frock. Now, or the
white dress. School need to be provided.
Yeah.
Or
the card dusters. Or the then short broom.
Yes.
Long broom. Cardless.
Yes.
Sharpened.
Yes.
Buano.
Yeah.
Yeah. Per crocodile brand.
Yeah.
Yes, a scrubbing brush.
Yes.
A brush is simple.
Yes.
Two detergent.
Yes.
Powdered soap. Dettol. And also 2 kg nibi.
Yes.
Now Parazone.
Yeah.
Akasha near the other.
Akasha a white be no ye de pete dry.
Oh, okay.
For some time.
And mob.
Yeah.
And insecticide spray.
Yes.
Dry line.
Yes.
And personal items. No,
Yes.
Beba Bible. Beba hymn book.
FM.
Flat. Then plain black shoe. Black sandals, we hear a brown sandals, canvas for PE, all white socks, school bag, mathematical set, calculator, original 1991 years then plus, trunk, chalk box, student mattress, leather covered pillow, blanket, white, red then bed sheet. Ordinary bed sheet, 6 spread. Just this is just 33. Another 33 so 60.
Imagine
until twaswa. Obekwa a 62 items.
And no man be on my yakasi etna yentimi nka. Kulubri say some of these things
too many.
Ekwa e wo baby ekomo yentimi nka no ha. Omo jijia ye ji edikokogu baby
Akoma 87.9
ensem yentimi nka no ha
idea na yentimi nka
yentimi nka bebre sa ko back to the market bebre sa I am telling you and normal esi no ho yent min kan wa ha nti the point is say say ban na di na isi form say
okay
say no me bi won ma e hwe just because of say no mo wenti obi ba enti min ko just
Akoma FM
yesterday me baba akon na so report last week because of say no mo we went me enra anadwo and now they call to inform me and I'm saying is say omo making sure say within this week obetimi akọ school. You understand? It is a koban say na free no aye ka no because akra e ko school na say school ye free na at least what ya mon ho kakra not 5,000 and san otimi akọ school. Don't you see say a problem? But enkane no ana ye tue sika e 700 cedis 500 cedis no na ye nto enoma bebre sa.
Na this has been and has always been.
No ya na aban school no provide bebre
dey school provide.
No bed sheet ne entire no me bebre ho na school provide but today oh yes na school yes bed sheet yes bed sheet yes na buying provide
me who be that say we go school bed sheet
oh yes
so it shouldn't be a standardized
and even good and even books
be
yes even books
okay.
and even books
okay.
but today me no can say today I'm looking at all the books all the books very sad
yes
very sad
is that
yeah
now let's look at this our educational system is there a way I bit me look at the reform near my the call what we need I mean how best we can enjoy the free SHS in its entirety.
Well, Kofi, my men sign and Chalbio. Kofi, and Komoya yedi. Minim in Sunsaswa, ya the prospectus, and my parents on Kotota. Minimum Sunsaswa free SHS a war no so. Me pese mi busa se na akrano etria school fees.
Akoma FM.
Yeah.
Se akwara no. Oku school a onfa ni bola obedidi munko.
Odebeko.
Onfa ni cutlery set. The friend no atre any fork no onfa binko.
Odebeko.
Okay. Se akwara no ku school na ye catchen se onfa napkin emra abroso. Maybe wo school be there wa ha e school kese pa wa santemem ha but for the idea e yintino me pese me bo school ni din omo ade a ba bia nkrofo e ka won de o say sa o say rag o taw
Akoma FM
bakra na se wade hu bi ayifia obetume de apepa right
okay
and normally bi o hono ma e wo sheet ni so a e ade a ye digu e chop box.
Okay.
Enti menya sure say ya kwa koye say ade bi asesi na aba bebrebe. Me ba a me ne empanimfo be ya adwen a say ye betumi ahwe ni ya sekan ene aso de no schools no say ya de nkwara mako 3,000 bahwa 1,500 bahwa school no do you have enough space?
Yeah, this kind of big.
Would this kind of ebegu
some schools cry no compound no kure no kra.
It shouldn't be a way to frustrate parents. Hwe wonim eye sadie we na ye ma say aban ka say the PTA no should not supersede GS and some more. Aban NPP aban outlaw PTA. And no correct. Would no, and that PTA no, it was just me patch me no me patch me, it's not true.
Akoma FM.
No.
Yeah, abolish